Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about the anchor tag. The anchor tag primarily defines a hyperlink that you can click and it will take you to a new page. And within the anchor tag, this is the opening anchor tag and the closing anchor tag, you have text, and this text can be clicked and it can take you to a different page. The main attribute for the anchor tag is the href, or hypertext reference. And in the hypertext reference, you store the URL that you want to go to. So an unvisited anchor tag, a page that you haven't been to before in your browser, will come up as blue, whereas a page that you have been to in your browser will come up as purple. So the fact that I've clicked on this link before means that it's purple. And an active link is red. What that means is when you click on it and you're actively clicking on it, it will come up as red. Also, anchor tags automatically are styled with an underline. So anchor tags shouldn't be confused with the link tag. You'd think that the link tag would be the one that would take you to a new page, but that's just not the case. The link tag describes a relationship between this file and another file, and it's often used for CSS files. So in this case, this link tag is telling us that we're going to be using this file for our CSS. Anchor tags can also do one other thing, and this is where they get their name from. So if you see here, this anchor tag looks a little bit different, and so does this one. What we're doing here is we are able to click on this anchor tag, and it is taking us to this anchor tag in the page. So this anchor tag is effectively the anchor for this anchor tag. This is where the anchor tag gets its name from. So when you define an anchor tag like this with a name attribute and then give it a name, and then later on in the page or somewhere else in the page, you have another anchor tag, and for the href of that anchor tag, you put a hashtag plus the name of the other anchor tag. This will take you to that anchor tag. So let me demonstrate this. If we go down to the bottom of this page, we have this link here. And when I click this, it takes us back to the top of the page. So that was this link that I just clicked with this hashtag top, and it took us to this anchor. So that is where the anchor tag gets its name. Let's take a look at some of these stylings. So if you want to remove the link underline for the anchor tag, now if I save this, you add text decoration none to the anchor tag. Refresh, and that will remove the underlines. Let's go ahead and put that back in there for now. You can change an unvisited link's color. Let's make this orange. Refresh. So now this unvisited link's color is orange, and I used a : link for that. You can change a visited link's color with a : visited. Refresh. So this one is visited. You can change the hover color with a hover. Now if I hover over these, they turn brown. And you can change the active color. So I have this one set to orange. So now when I refresh and I click, it turns orange. Pretty cool. And of course, you can wrap other things with anchor tags. So as you can see down here, this div is wrapped in an anchor tag. So if I click on the div, it will take us to the link. Pretty cool. So that's the anchor tag.